friends. So I'm so excited I get to have art class with you all again today. But today we are going to learn how to draw a chart. Okay? And I have lost my awesome ruler, but that is okay. Because sometimes that happens, friends. So what we're going to need today is we're going to need a piece of paper, you're going to need a pencil, and a straight edge. And sometimes we lose our really awesome rulers. So what you can also do is take a piece of paper, and just any old piece of paper, scrap piece of paper, and if we fold it in half really awesome, we can use the fold as our straight edge, okay? And a straight edge just means something that's straight that we can use to help us follow along to draw straight lines, okay, friends? So use a ruler, piece of paper, whatever you have, piece of cardboard, that'd be awesome too, all right? So we're gonna learn how to draw like a chart today, okay? So we're gonna use any kind of old piece of paper that you have. I have this yellow paper, and we're gonna draw 4 different rows in our chart, okay? So it's kind of funky, but if we're drawing 4 rows, do you know how many lines we have to draw? 3. It's really cool. But to use our straight edge ruler, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our thumb and our index finger. You hold down the ruler really well, and then you press down and you draw a straight line across, okay? And we're gonna make 3 of those. All right, friends, we have 1 line. How many more lines do we need? If you said 2, you are right. So let's keep going. We're gonna put our thumb and our index finger down on the ruler, press down really hard, and then pull across our paper, right? Okay, we need 1 more line. So we're gonna put thumb and index finger down. We're gonna put our pencil touching the ruler, pull across the paper. And you know what? My rows, they're kind of funky. And you know what? That is totally okay. I'm fine with them being a little funky. And I actually have extra room here. So you know what? If you end up like mine and it's real funky, you can add an extra line if you want to. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. You don't have to have 5, you can have 4 if you want to. But I'm going to use this first row as like my name row. There we go. All right, friends. Is that in focus? There we go. So my first name's Autumn. I probably should have wrote Miss Miller. But what we're going to do now is we have our rows. So now we're going to do our columns, okay? Rows are horizontal, which go from left to right, okay? Columns are vertical, which go from the sky to the ground, right? From the sky to the ground. So we're going to use our ruler again, thumb, index finger. But this time our ruler is going to be vertical. We're going to start at the top of our paper. Our pencil is going to touch our ruler, and we're going to pull down our paper. Scoot it over. We're going to make 4 lines. So how many columns do you think that'll be? If you said 5 columns, you are right. I don't know why that happens like that, but it's some sort of funky math thing. So I have 1 line, 2 line. I need 2 more lines. 3 lines, 4 lines. Now watch this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. How awesome is that? All right, friends, at any time if you need to pause the video, that is totally okay. So remember, I'm not using this first row here. So I kind of marked it out. That's going to be for something else. I'm just going to keep it extra doodle space or something. All right. So now what we're going to do is the first row that you have, the first horizontal row that you have, okay, that's not your doodle row. You are going to write numbers in the corner, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to do that, those exact same numbers for the next 3 rows, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, we're going to write some letters right beside our numbers, okay? So, I'm going to go down this way with all my ones, okay? All my ones, I'm going to write A, B, C, D, okay? So I have 1A, 1B, 1, wait, A, 1, B, 1, C, 1, and D, 1, okay? We're going to do the same thing with all of them, all right? So I'm going to write A, 2, B, 2, C, 2, D, 2. A, 3, B, 3. Yep, that's right. C, 3, D, 3. Then I'm going to write A, 4, B, 4, C, 4, D, 4. And then A, 5, B, 5, C, 5, D, 5. Okay? And that'll help us so much on our next thing, all right? So I can't wait to see what you get to make on your chart. I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.